Well, I thought it was supposed to stop raining at noon. It's way after noon. I don't know exactly what time it is, but it's definitely hours past noon. Still going. So it ain't looking like I'm getting much done today. I thought I'd work on the Husky 55. I ain't gonna work on anything. I'm just gonna replace the pull string on this thing. I definitely do have to take this thing apart and figure out why it is it's cutting off when it gets warm. It will not idle, but it runs good as long as you keep it gassed and running. It runs great, but it will not idle. So I really don't know. I've recently taken it apart, cleaned everything, checked the fuel lines. I mean, but I guess I'm gonna have to really take it apart and get in there, you know. And I don't know. I guess if I can't figure out what it is, I'll just have to put a new carburetor or whatever in it. I guess I have to sit and watch a couple videos on this thing, and I have in the past. I've watched a few videos. I've actually ordered parts for it that I haven't changed yet. I think I even have a brand new carburetor for this thing. I don't know, maybe I'm about to just take this thing apart and hopefully make it like new again. Alright, so now I gotta figure out this pull string and about how long I want it. We got plenty though. How short it is. Let's see here. Grab us some needle nose here and pull this out. It's just kind of run right through that hole there. We're gonna make it pretty much just as long as it was, I guess. It's kind of maybe even a tad bit longer because we also have to tie a few knots. So probably about right there, maybe a little longer, and then we can adjust it. Burn that in so it don't ow, it's hot. Dang. It won't unravel on us. Some hot stuff though. Dang. Alright, let's see. So we're just gonna run this up back through that hole. There we go. Tie us a knot. I'm just gonna do like a simple 1-2 knot. Just tie it 2 times. And that'll go right back in there and won't come out. And let me see, I hope this has an arrow that tells you which way to wind it. I don't think it does, but I'm sure it's this way, that way. Tell it's springy that way. So we're gonna wrap it in there. You want it a little bit snug. That way when you pull it through the hole, it goes back all the way. So you want to keep a little bit of snugness on there. So go one extra time and then pull it up through there. So now the thing, it'll go right back down. Seems perfect. Pull this one out. Double knot that one the same way. Yeah, double knot should fit. Might actually should have maybe triple knotted that thing. That'll work, I think. That should be good enough. Dang right. That's it. That's pretty much all it takes to fix that. That was not bad at all. Save that for the next one that needs some pull string. I should crank up the blower and fill it and blow this thing out, but it's raining. I ain't walking down there to turn on the generator right now, so. Alright, I think, where do we want these screws? I only have 3 and I need 4. I don't think I have one that'll work. That worked. That screw might actually work. I'm gonna try to stick that in one of them. Will that work? It ain't exactly the same, but it looks, I think that might actually work. There. I guess I need to order some Husqvarna screws. You can tell the head's a little bit different. One's a tiny bit longer. I was actually cleaning out my bag earlier and 2 or 3 of these fell out, so I guess I'll try and use it on here. See if that works. Then I'll have 4 on here like I'm supposed to. How convenient. See if this one snugs. That'd be cool if this one snugs. Wow, how convenient. Just cleaned out my bag and found them and was like, I wonder what those are for. I sat them up here. It's funny how things work out sometimes. Oh yeah. And I guess while I got it up here, stick us some oil, some grease in this thing. Grease this tip. There we go. Grease came out. Alright, she gonna crank. She's gonna crank. Oh yeah. What's going on here? Oh, I didn't have to cut the switch off last time. It was cutting off by itself. What's going on? See him? Oh, yeah, it went back in there. Man, I'm running out of gas. Alright, what's going on? It's got a little bit in there. This thing always fires up. What the heck? It's on. Huh. See, it idles fine when it's cool. Just sits there and idles, no problem. Heats up and then it starts cutting off. So I got to figure out if I got a air leak in this thing. These are pretty common for air leaks. So I'm gonna watch a couple YouTube videos and refreshing my memory on taking this apart and putting it back together. That's the safest thing to do. Do a little bit of studying first and refreshing my memory. I have taken this apart before to do things to it. Like I replaced the carburetor gasket before to see if that was the problem. That didn't solve it. So I don't know, I gotta go further in and see what else it could possibly be. Cool, we got that straight. Seems good. Might be a little tiny bit loose. So I might actually pull this out and make it a tad bit shorter. Yeah, definitely. At least about, yeah, right there. I think that's where we want it. A little tiny bit shorter, but dang right. it seems to be running great now. I don't know. What the heck? I ain't complaining. But that thing was running real nice. Real nice. So these, I wanna cut a bunch of these rings just to put them in certain places where there's dirt, and I'd rather be walking on wood. One spot is our entrance right here. We have this one here, and I was like, dang, we need more of them. And we got this muddy area over here, we need them too. So I figure I'm just gonna cut a bunch of them and just put them everywhere because they look awesome. This is one of the spots right here where we actually walked through here to get in our trailer canopy over here. So that one's been there a while, and I've been like looking at it, and I'm like, dang, we need more of them. That way we stop tracking as much dirt around where we walk. So a lot of places where we walk and stuff, I want to put a lot of these. Like over here, it's kind of muddy. We can't even walk over there really. So I think I might put a bunch of them over there too. And then when you do walk on them, they'll sink in the mud and just pretty much become a floor, a deck. I think that looks pretty cool. You can walk through here without stepping in the mud. And I gotta take this thing in there and put a good edge on it. Nice, fresh, clean edge, because I done hit the dirt quite a few times trying to get nice rounds out of it without jacking them up.